Thanks for coming on Subcontract Level 2. What was your feeling about the course before you came?
Before coming to the course, I was really excited because I know that name optimization has really helped me, having my name been optimized, and wanting to be able to do that for my family members who have their own personal issues and struggles to overcome. So, and just keen to get a deeper level of understanding of what the numbers mean and how by changing the name we can improve relationships and heal.
Okay. And how's the course been, learning about overlays and all the secret energy interactions between people?
It's been very intense on some days, but intense in not a negative way, intense in the healing that's come through, in the transmission, the things that we've learned. But it's been a very enjoyable course. It's been lovely to interact with all the people who've been on it, to learn from each other and to support each other through the learning. I think Nicolas has done a fabulous job at teaching us and delivering the transmission in a very poised and calm and centered way. And he's able to hold the space throughout, which is great. So thank you.
Okay. What are your main takeaways from the course?
Oh, I'm really keen to get my hands into name optimization for my family. I'm feeling a lot more confident now than I was at the start of the course with, just how the relationships interplay. I was feeling a little bit flustered in the beginning, a little bit concerned that I wasn't getting it, but now I'm feeling far more confident that I can go out and deliver a reading to some of my friends who've already had the initial reading of the birth chart and just show them what's happening in their lives, in their relationships, within their families or their partners. And being able to support them through that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
April, how's the course been for you?
It's been truly enlightening and quite exciting each day. I had come into the course with the intention of name optimization and to work within the family dynamic to understand how we all work together, and you were able to transmit that information for me in 11-2 in a way that I was able to absorb. The practice and the way we went about biting each piece of the elephant was amazing. I did get clarity. I can see where this name optimization and family dynamics is really going to help some of the people I work with and their challenged children or children with disabilities. And I look forward to being of service.
Okay, and what do you take away now from it?
I get a real happy sense of hope and possibility for those that are willing to learn and grow. Seeing the excitement for me in the numbers of the way and opportunities, it's just enlightening. It's hopeful. And for me, hope's pretty big.
Thank you. Tina.
Yes.
What do you take away from the course after 4 days?
What do I take away from the course? Just a deeper level of understanding of some of the things that I have gone through in life about, how different soul contracts with the overlays, how we affect each other. It's all in the numbers. That's what my takeaway is understanding of my life and the people in it. Deeper understanding.
You feel confident you can go and use it to help your clients?
Absolutely. I've got people ready. They were like, I can't wait till you take that class. Yes.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.